Good morning, pirates. Welcome to our channel, Banknifty Predictions. Here we are analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty without using any technical or fundamental. This is done by identifying the FI's next move and to identify that we are only using two horizontal lines, two flat lines. Here I have mentioned without candlestick, chart pattern indicator or option chain. This completely unique method to analyze FI's action plan in the real market. It is like in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yes, in the last session, what we have analyzed was the Nifty was in its after completing second primary, Nifty was in secondary zone and almost secondary zone is consumed, so it can start a minor uptrend. That is what has happened. And with respect to Bank Nifty, what we have said, it is in the secondary and it has not yet completed 750 points and in the middle of something the bank nifty is also manipulated. So we are going to discuss about the same in today's session. But before going ahead, I would like to request you again, kindly subscribe to this channel to get the updates, the real time updates about the market real time analysis which we are posting every day. Along with that, you can post your comments and queries in the chat box. Also share this with the retail participants, your friend, colleagues, and everyone you are aware of who are using various complex methods to analyze market. This can be really helpful for them. So let us analyze Nifty. What we are discussing today about Nifty is, let me check. We were talking about Nifty, and if you are checking what is happening with Nifty, so Nifty has completed two primary. If these things might get repeated for you, or this is the way we are analyzing the market, every day we'll discuss about two primary. Why? Because we should take care of this. We should know what kind of market structure is there ahead, and to identify that, this is going to help you. So this is just an 800-point move, and after that, the market has to go down by 267. And that is what has happened with Nifty, and you can clearly observe primary and secondary range working together. If we go for 5 minutes time frame, it is the mostly the secondary range is clearly visible. Why it is secondary? Because it is actually a complex range, and the challenge is more in such kind of range. And this secondary range is really helpful for option sellers. If you are option seller, you might have observed the same. But if you are option buyer, it is so painful, it is very painful, and the market got stuck within certain range, and that is approximately 80 points, and after that it took upside break. So we will wait what is going to happen to the market tomorrow. And along with this, actually I'm not in same country, so the time for you is completely different for me. And okay, it is very late for me to analyze, or it is I'm analyzing this market as per Indian timing, so it is 5 a.m. in India. Okay, so these two boxes we are expecting, if anything is going to happen with Nifty, we are expecting Nifty should reach at least 18,382. But first halt is at 18,300. So let's see how it is going. The minor and secondary and primary, all the three. Okay, secondary is not yet bullish clearly, so let it turn to bullish and then we can expect the good upside. Primary is still in the positive strength for upside move. So this was about Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? In last session, as like Nifty, what we have discussed is also same for Bank Nifty. So there are two primary moves are done, and we are into third primary. But this third primary Nifty, Bank Nifty has taken a halt, and that halt has a capacity to come down to 750 points. Why? Because every time it is taking hold, it can come down to 751. You can see these secondary patches which are present, but no one can clearly identify this. But using this two lines method, how we are arrived to this point, what is the logic, what is the mathematics behind this, you can clearly get to know about this. Not to worry about that. Just go through the 5 days workshop and you get to know everything about two lines theory. So what we were expecting, but from the middle, it has turned up again bullish. So if you are checking 15 minutes, it is strongly bullish. It is showing strongly bullish. It has not yet turned bearish. And if you are checking 5 minutes time frame, it is also turned bullish today. Okay, this was on 21st and it has turned bullish, but nothing has happened. Why nothing has happened? If you check the detailed analysis in the 22nd analysis, 22nd November analysis, I clearly said if the price is opening above this, we are entering into PZ. So price has the capacity to reach to this point, but price open at this point and stuck within the same 139 points range. So now this is a decision making PZ, where price has got stuck and someone has controlled price from going down, then someone has controlled price from going up, and now it has pushed again inside PZ. So we should wait for the price to break upside or downside to get at least 250 plus points move, which is so which can extend up to 500 plus points move any side, whichever side it breaks. So let's wait for the final move in Bank Nifty, and if you can observe what is happening on long term time frames, what are the two lines doing on daily time frames? So we are out of this range, and this could be a long lasting rally, and we have already entered into this. Also there was some additional investment done by FIs and the price pulled down to the 1x, so it has a capacity to go to 4x. So if you're not aware of this, there is a manipulation, price pull down, and then it has a capacity to go to what is 46,000. Nifty can reach to 46,000. That is what we can analyze using this two lines theory. And so these are the uh, uh, thrice the time of primary moves, and then these are the primary, and these small boxes are secondary moves, and in that there are patient zones. So everything is interrelated, and there is very powerful mathematical logic behind this theory, and one should know this. So one of the participant had asked, "Oh, what about Tata LXC? What is the future of Tata LXC?" So if I show you what is the future of Tata LXC, it's very easy. So Tata LXC, we will first go to hourly. Okay, Tata LXC is down, RSI is down in hourly. So someone is selling vigorously or selling constantly in Tata LXC. If you are going daily, okay, daily also says Tata LXC is down. That means some big players are selling this, and the projection is from the day it has started selling, it could reach to the lowest point, and for within next 4 months. Why 4 months? Because we are analyzing 4 months market, and there is some range you can also clearly identify. If we are going for weekly, still bulls are there, okay, but huge scope is there for price at least within this range. Okay, whether the price will touch to that range, how to identify? You can see the investments. These are the investment done by some participants, and we will track these investments. So if we consider this was the first investment done, okay, this was the amount of money went into Tata LXC, and then I will create a replica of this, okay, and you can see the similar investment is happened. The second bag, then third bag, which is from this low, it should have gone up, but we will consider this low. Okay, this is the third bag. So what exactly has happened? Someone has put its 50% of money at this level, and then he is expecting to average this. So where is the best place to average? Is at 1x. So at near about 1x they started averaging. So what is the purpose of this additional fund? Just when they have FIs bought this, or when the big players who have bought this stock, they want a best price, so they have just pulled some retailers to upside by 1x. Now what will happen to this stock? Once the price is reached to this point and they have started selling it off, we can reach again to this point, and this point is nothing at 5100. So we can soon expect Tata LXC to coming to 5100 or 300. And how far this can go in the downside, at least 50 points, at least 50% to 60%. So 50% is this, and 60% is approximately the level which we have already plotted. So within this range, 50 to 60%, we can buy Tata LXC. When the RSI is going up, then and only then we can buy this. And if you would like to check what has happened in the past, just take this to the past and just check what has happened to Tata LXC. We are putting Tata LXC. So every time the FIs have done this, they have at least reached to 60% downside. Okay, so that's a good stock, that is what I can say. And we'll wait for the opportunity, and next big upcoming opportunity is waiting for us between 4000 to 5000. So keep watching. And how, when to buy this, by using, definitely by using opportunity window concept. When the RSI is going above 51 and the price is near EMA, you can deploy your risk by calculating the risk in the opportunity window. So thank you, Pirate. So I'm done from my side. And if you really want to continue these sessions, please subscribe, share this, and comment on this video so that it can help us to reach to maximum retailers. Thank you. So closing this session, and let's meet post market for 24th November analysis.